3, 2, okay.
Hi guys!
Hi guys, it's Pug number 3001, and I'm here with my little sister Lauren. Yay! Okay, 1 second. Camera check. It is my third video.
And then next video, keep on watching because we're going to do the makeup challenge.
Okay.
It's super cool, it's super fun, it's super metallic. And you also get free deals off pay money.
No, you gotta get free things, and it's not a giveaway. No, and you get me too.
It is a giveaway.
Wait, I probably should be talking.
So click the button.
Lauren, it's not a giveaway.
So
Yeah, so our next video is going to be a makeup challenge, but this video we're gonna make slime.
Yeah, another slime video. See, he's very dumb.
What color should I do? Let's do blue. We're doing blue.
Yeah, her favorite color. And blue's my favorite color too.
No, it's purple. Okay, put the blue in. Don't lick it. Don't take the whole top off. Okay.
Right there.
Oh. We need more than that. I can make a tiny bit.
Okay, we're
Okay, I won't waste all the blues. Wow. There's a lot of blue. Put this on the side. Stop scooching over. Sit in your own chair. Sit down there. We're gonna add some hand soap. Put it in. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I just love watching that come out. That's enough. I'm not activator. Listen to me. I know how to make slime. You don't. You know how to make a bat. Oh.
Why is this on me?
Oh, look. This is a metallic one too. This is cool. Come out now. I think that should be enough. I don't want it to be like a baby blue. I want it to be like a solid blue.
Like a baby that hurts too.
Oh no, that's like.
And also, Cora is a super fan of dolls, Barbies, even kitties. She made one on her own. She's a total jumped up.
Oh my gosh. Actually, you like dolls, Barbies, and I think you like cats.
I don't like cats or Barbies. I like makeup. Cora, all I like is makeup.
That's all she likes. She slips around the house like a makeup guru.
I also like dolls and Barbies.
That's not what we're talking about. We're making slime here, okay?
She was a trouble girl. Slime.
Activator.
I like to do it.
Fine, put a little bit in. Just put a little bit. You waste all my activator, girl. Look at how cool this is. It turned out a baby blue though. Why is it so solid in the bowl that it comes out like this? Oh, it's a very stretchy slime. I did not say you could touch it. Stop.
Yummy, yummy.
It's kind of sticky.
So stay tuned
This
to our
slime's
next
sticky.
video, the makeup challenge.
So this is the finished product.
She's also a terrible girl at slime.
I'm awesome at slime. Put it off with
She hates slime.
It went together. No. They attach. Okay, so I made this is slime one. I made this one a while ago, and this time again today. We're gonna mix them.
Okay, Karen, I think that's not a very good idea.
Just kidding. Never, JK. I'm actually am going to mix them together.
She's a terrible girl at making shit. Hello!
We're still recording. Sit down.
Abby.
Wow, all the blue's like gone. It's like all in Break it off.
Yummy.
Give me the side. The point side.
Now we're gonna do
The
a
purple
makeup
took
challenge.
Yeah, the next
Today,
video is makeup challenge, so stay tuned.
so stay tuned into the next video.
Here's a
And we're cutting.